Hi everyone, welcome back to our Space NK YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking you through our picks of our favourite gifts under £30. I'm Niamh, I'm one of the buyers for makeup and I'm here with the wonderful Ashlee.
Hello everybody, and I work on our training team, our education team.
Very excited.
Do you want to go first?
I'm going to go first.
Yeah, go.
I'm going to go with a personal favourite of mine. So,
I knew
over
you were going to
here,
go for that. I love it!
this is our REFY and Space NK exclusive Christmas set. So this is the Terracotta Duo and they have essentially formulated this really beautiful glowy terracotta shade just for us, just for you to have in the cream blush and also in the lip gloss as well.
Sold.
It's got this beautiful it's like this reddy shade here, but it's got this beautiful kind of very subtle gold fleck. So this is like the best sunburn you'll ever have with no skin damage.
The imagery they've used.
The imagery is good. Isn't she beautiful? I put a little bit on my forehead, a tiny little bit on my chin, just to tie everything together across the nose. So this is absolutely perfect for that.
And who are we gifting to?
Me. This is a shameless self-gift, but this is any REFY lover. I think this is like super quintessential REFY kind of look. Like it's beautiful. It's the cool
Clean
girl,
girl.
the clean girl.
Yeah.
Like love.
I mean, you picked that REFY, I'm going to go with this REFY.
Okay.
While we're on
Your
REFY,
turn.
who doesn't want a REFY trio of the lip glosses? They are so nice. I'm going to tell you why. The applicator.
Yeah.
The applicator is what
Cooling,
sells
yeah.
this product for me. It's cooling, it's like a metal. It's just really nice to apply and reapply and reapply. It becomes a bit of a habit because it feels so nice. But I really like the colours as well. You've got the clear one, more of a neutral kind of nude, and then you've also got more of a lighter kind of golden nude. So everyone can use this. Perfect little stocking filler. But I also kind of want it for myself as well because I just love REFY so much. Look how gorgeous the flecks are.
So that's the new topaz shade, which is so beautiful.
I just love REFY. I'm just so happy.
Same.
I'm so happy that it's a Space NK now.
Same.
So I think that's actually a perfect gift for colleagues, friends, besties.
Besties, absolutely.
Even acquaintances because it's such a good price point.
I'm gonna go with our gold Space NK
cute.
travel bag.
Perfect for our little REFYs.
Exactly, fill it with minis. These things are a TARDIS. I take this size to work with me every day. I can get pretty much full face in that, and you won't believe it. You can get like a mini brush in there. I can get my hourglass palette in it.
Can you?
Yes.
I'll have to see that, Niamh.
So
to recreate
perfect.
that on the channel.
I mean, you have to be quite logical with your stacking. But yeah, this is just such a great all-round gift. And also, if you want to be super generous, I would buy this for someone you love and fill it up with loads of little minis, create them like a little hamper or something. Super special, very personalised.
Okay, I'm going to keep with the Space NK theme.
Nice.
Cute. Nordic Wilds feels very Christmassy, even though it's not the Christmas scent. I think there's something quite
That's my
green about it.
favourite scent.
Paris Tides is my favourite, but I also love
Yeah,
Nordic Wilds
it's
as well. That
gorgeous.
came out before Paris Tides, but who doesn't want a little mini body lotion and a body wash? I love Space NK own brand. I think it is incredible, the formula.
Yeah,
the body wash is so gorgeously, like it lathers really nicely, but it's really quite conditioning and nourishing on the skin as well. When you're just turning up to Christmas dinner and maybe you're like the kind of the new person in the family, or you don't really know people as well, you're not really close to everybody that's attending. I think that's a really nice gift, a little token to bring.
We've brought so many exclusives to you this year. I'm going to go with another one from Glossier.
Oh, I love the tin.
Glossier really pulled it out of the bag this year with their packaging. Like everything's really reusable. So you've got in here 3 cloud paints and this gorgeous little tin. You're going to be so excited by this. They're shimmery.
I know!
So they're not like the usual matte formula. They've got a beautiful little shimmer.
Oh my God!
So Glisten and Afterglow have got this beautiful kind of like hybrid blush and highlight moment.
Oh my God, I had no idea.
And then this
existed.
gorgeous little crimson, which is very similar to the bestseller puff. Beautiful little packaging. Great. Look at that on the inside.
Oh my God, everything's so considered this year with the gift
Very
sets.
considered. So yeah, absolutely perfect gift for the Glossier fanatic in your life. Me also, because you've got a great little bit of merch there.
What a fab little gift. Okay, I'm going to go in with a little bit of skincare now. Laneige. Laneige, and it's got all their best kind of skincare, cream skin in particular. It's been really popular, I think, with slightly younger kind of beauty lovers because it is just such a nice toner.
Yeah.
Leaves that really gorgeous, nourished, glass skin look. Everyone can use it. Particularly good for this time of year when your skin feels a bit tight with the central heating on. cream skin's really nice. It also comes with a gentle gel cleanser as well from the Water Bank range. This is unisex, so anyone can use this, and also all skin types as well. And it comes with their famous berry lip balm and also the Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic, my favourite hyaluronic moisturiser that we have.
I've not tried that one.
Oh, it's so good. They have a richer one and they have a slightly lighter one. This is kind of the regular one. If your skin gets really dehydrated, if you hear someone in your life that goes, my skin just feels a bit tight or a bit flaky or it feels a bit sore, this, they will love you. And then I'm pretty sure they will come back and buy the full size, because it just leaves your skin feeling amazing. Whenever I have a bit of a flare up with my eczema, that is the product that I reach for.
I'm gonna go in with the Colour Wow here. So we've got the Dream Clean Duo, mini shampoo, mini conditioner. Great for anybody in your life who travels. This is just such a good shampoo.
It is.
It just does exactly what it says on the tin. I worked with them a few years ago and they said that at the time they'd only brought out one shampoo because they were like, shampoo's meant to do one thing, it's meant to clean your hair, and like that it does, but your hair doesn't feel dry after, it feels great. It's also great for anyone with coloured hair. It really maintains the colour within your hair. It doesn't strip anything. So yeah, I think this is a real great all-rounder. And also a great self-gift if you're beating the, December blues, January blues, and you're going on holiday and you need some minis.
The CT, the bow, it's just staring at me, so I'm gonna gotta go for a bit of CT. Oh my God, look how tiny this cute little lip liner is. Are you joking? More pillow talk. I mean, she's really gone out with the pillow talk this year, but I can totally see why, because it suits everybody. You can gift and not worry about, is this gonna suit them? Is this gonna work for their skin tone? It's gonna work. You've got the gorgeous lip balm and you've also got the lip liner in there. And it even says on the packaging, it's a global sensation. And it is, darlings, as Charlotte would say herself. Love this. Cute little stocking filler. I mean, anybody that wears and loves lipstick will love that. So, lipstick lovers, that's for them.
Get your CT. I'm gonna go with...
That's the dinkiest thing.
Look how small that little
full-size
fragrance
one, so
is.
seeing this,
We have. So this is the baby of that. So this is their new fragrance, their new EDP.
Oh my God, Niamh, it's so
small, isn't it? It's like Dolly.
Oh.
Great little handbag,
Yeah.
little freshen it up. And then you've actually got a full-size dewy blush in there as well. So nice to switch it up a bit. Such a great price point to have the full-size blush and then the mini.
Yeah.
I think this is a great stocking filler. I would personally buy this for like my nieces. They would absolutely love that. Great little stocking filler, great little Secret Santa maybe.
Just very
but
sweet.
Yeah, very, very sweet. I'm obsessed.
Wins the award for cutest
Doesn't it?
gift set for sure. Okay, I'm gonna go with the Naturium next. I mean, it wouldn't be Christmas unless you gift someone a bit of Bath and Body with it.
It's a classic.
You don't know what they want, Bath and Body. And Naturium, the Glowing Body Kit in particular, is great for everybody, especially in the cold December, winter months. We've hidden away our bodies since August.
Hidden the scales.
Yeah, for sure. So you've got the multi-oil body wash. This is particularly gorgeous because the more you lather it into the skin, the more you feel it working. And it just leaves your skin feeling like it's already been moisturised, even before you've moisturised when you get out of the shower. It's so nice. And it also comes with their famous Bio-Lipid Restoring Lotion as well. It is fantastic. Everybody could benefit from this because it's just really easy, and it also hasn't got a scent to it, which I think is quite, some people don't love a really strong body scent, but this really works. So yeah, the Naturium Glow Kit.
So last but no means least, it's not Christmas without a bit of Sol de Janeiro, is it? In here we've got our very famous Boom Boom Cream and then the Curosa 62 fragrance mist. This is just such a great gift for maybe the younger people in your life that are just getting into kind of scent and discovery and things like that. I mean, it's a super viral product.
Yeah.
Nobody doesn't know what it is.
Right.
You know, it's the OG. You're really gonna make someone's Christmas morning with that. And also it's just a little bit of summer, a little bit of Brazil.
A little bit of
cold,
Brazil.
Wintry England.
Thanks so much for joining us, guys. That is our gifting under £30. We had some really good little stocking fillers and lovely little gifts here, guys. Check out our other gift guides that are going to be dropping on the channel. Like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.
Bye.